Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got a very special unboxing to share with you, and it is another collaboration box from Lookfantastic, and this is with Espa. Gorgeous, gorgeous box, and it's a pull-out design. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek. See there? I will be going through it one by one, telling you a little bit about it. But before I do that, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all the details surrounding this box. This limited edition beauty box can be bought for £60, or if you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly subscription box, you can purchase this box for £55. It has a total value of £125. If you are a subscriber and you want to take advantage of your £5 discount, you need to click through the email that Lookfantastic would have sent you a couple of days ago. They also have an offer running at the moment where if you want to sign up to receive a August or September beauty monthly subscription box, if you were to use Espa new sub at checkout, that will entitle you to have £5 off as well. This box is available on the Lookfantastic website now, and they ship worldwide. Espa is a brand renowned for creating expertly formulated products. In this box you will find a selection of hair, skin and body treatments curated to make you feel beautiful and also to bring a sense of inner calm. There's 6 products in total, which will give you a regime from start to finish. So let's get on to showing you what you'll receive inside. So inside the box you will receive this little booklet, and in here details everything about the products, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. And it also goes into telling you a little bit of background about Espa, how they're sustainable and they're a natural beauty company. And also it gives the skincare routine step by step using all the products inside this box. So starting from the cleanser, this is from the Skin Optimizing range. It's a multi-use enzyme cleanser, exfoliator and mask for radiant skin. It's for all skin types, and there's 100 ml here. I absolutely love the simplistic packaging. I love the little tops here as well. I've got a few Espa products that I use, and I've got some oils behind me. It's just really pretty. So I've never tried this cleanser though. So it says, discover the route to radiant skin with this 3-in-1 skincare essential. An effective gel cleanser, exfoliator and mask that will nourish, smooth and visibly brighten the complexion. Moringa seed extract cleanses and removes makeup, while gentle jojoba spheres and pumpkin enzymes buff away dead cells, revealing radiant glowing skin. It can be used daily, and you're supposed to massage it into your face until you feel the spheres melt away, and then you can rinse off. I just want to sniff it. I'll put a little bit on my hand actually. I want to see what it looks like. Yes, I can feel the spheres there. Yeah, the smell is gorgeous. It is so, so lovely. Gorgeous aromatherapy oils. Oh, that was quite quick actually. All those spheres have now melted into my skin. It feels really nice. It feels like an oil on my skin. But no, I'll wipe it off. So is there anything extra I can tell you about this? No, it says exactly the same as what was on the back here, but it says top tip, can also be used to exfoliate hands and to even out skin tone. So that's the first item in the box, and the recommended retail value is £32. Next we've got a Pro Serum, and this is 10 ml. It says on the back here, an intensely nourishing and revitalizing serum that helps replenish and strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. After cleansing and toning, warm a few drops into your palms, gently smooth over your face, neck and décolleté until fully absorbed. Put a tiny bit on my hand. So, so nice. It is so nice. Oh, that's left my skin feeling so soft. I thought it would be more like an oil on my skin, but it's not. It does absorb into my skin, and it just leaves the skin super, super soft. Oh, that is gorgeous. And the top tip of the serum is that you can layer this by adding a few drops to moisturisers and masks. And this is worth £17. Next we've got a moisturiser, and this is a 24-hour replenishing moisturiser, and this is 30 ml. Myrrh, frankincense and neroli replenish, while vitamin E helps protect the skin's barrier. Use morning and evening, apply to fingertips and tap into face, neck and décolleté until fully absorbed. Tiny bit. Don't want to waste it, but I just want to see what it's like. It's blending into my hand really nicely. Oh, smell. The smell just really stands out. It's not too overpowering. It's just gorgeous. Definitely a spa smell. If ever you've walked into a spa, you know, the gorgeous scents that fill the room. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Instant relaxation. This is what this range is just like bringing back to me. I've only been a couple of times to a spa, not many at all, but I do really, really love it. I love it. I'd love to go to an Espa spa. Oh, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Maybe one day. It blends into my hand really, really well. It just leaves a gorgeous finish to my skin, my hand then, and it just feels so nice. It feels luxurious. It's quite a thick cream, blends in well, but it's quite thick. I'd say it'd be perfect if you've got, say, dry skin or combination skins. And this is worth £24.54p. So there's that. Next I've got something really exciting. I can't wait to give this a go. This is a pink hair and scalp mud, and there's 55 mils here. An intensive mineral-rich treatment mask that conditions to leave your hair feeling soft and smooth and your scalp feeling refreshed. For best results, massage into scalp and through damp hair, leave for 20 minutes or overnight if preferred, and rinse. I can't wait to try this. I've heard a few people talk about it on Instagram, and oh yeah, and it hasn't got any bits in it, which I like. The scent is very subtle, but it's very, very refreshing. It's like uplifting. It is gorgeous. Yeah, it's really, really nice. Vitamin C, watercress and red clay soothe and nourish the scalp, whilst apricot kennel oil conditions to help promote stronger, healthy looking, manageable hair. And it says, top tip, apply when in the sun or during a workout to keep your hair hydrated. And this is worth £9.95. Next we've got a bath and body oil, and this is the Positivity bath and body oil. I do have some of their bath and body oils, but not this one, so it'd be lovely to try this. It just says to uplift and inspire, and we've got 15 mils here. Create an air of optimism with this happy bath and body oil and wave negativity goodbye, harnessing the potency of aromatherapy. The spirit-lifting combination of jasmine, gardenia and rose geranium provide a burst of joy, while the confidence and vibrancy of bergamot and sweet orange are a fragrant reminder to focus on the positive. It sounds absolutely gorgeous. Oh, that is so lovely. Oh, you can imagine me going to bed. Well, don't imagine me going to bed. No, that's not right. But you can imagine me smelling gorgeous after applying my hair mud, my bath oil, the cleanser, and a night serum as well. It's just gorgeous. That's all I need now is a candle. Yeah, a candle. That would be perfect. So what can I tell you about this one then? It says massage into skin in firm upward and circular movements until fully absorbed, or apply 1 to 2 capfuls in your bath. And the top tip, it says take a small amount into your hands and cup over your nose, taking nice deep breaths. Think of something that makes you smile. And this is worth £5.10. And lastly, we've got an overnight hydration therapy. This is 55 mils, and it says intensive treatment mask for replenished and radiant skin for normal, dry and dehydrated skins. It says to massage this cream into your face until it turns white, and then allow it to absorb properly before you retire to bed. Really, really thick. Where can I put it? Let's put it on here. So I've got to wait until it turns white. Yeah, it's turning white, look. I'm imagining applying this to my face, so it's turned white, so I need to wait now until it's fully absorbed before I can go to bed. Oh, what does it smell like? Yeah, the whole range, it's just gorgeous. Chicory root extract helps to reinforce the skin's natural barrier function, while cognac root and hyaluronic acid hydrate and smooth, and vitamin C boosts radiance. Top tip, use twice weekly for best results. And this is worth £37. So those are all the products, so I'm just going to go through them one by one. So we've got an Optimal Skin Pro Cleanser. We've got an Optimal Skin Pro-Serum. We've got a 24-hour Replenishing Moisturiser. We've got a pink hair and scalp mud. We've got a Positivity bath and body oil. And lastly, we've got an overnight hydration therapy. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your thoughts about this box. What do you think of the collab with Lookfantastic? And also, have you already bought this box for yourself, or planning on giving it as a gift, or you're thinking, nah, this box is not for me, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.